If you're a creator or professional, you need the right AI tools to stay ahead. Here are 5 game changers for 2025 that you can't afford to miss. Let's jump in. First up, ChatGPT. Whether you're drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, or even troubleshooting code, ChatGPT is your conversational sidekick. It's like having a genius colleague on call 24/7, minus the coffee breaks. Next, meet DALL-E 3. Turn your wildest ideas into stunning AI-generated art just by typing a prompt. Need graphics for your next pitch or video? DALL-E 3 has your back, no design degree required. At number 3, Jasper AI. Marketing copy slowing you down? Jasper writes high-converting headlines, blog posts, and ads in seconds. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to fresh, effective content anytime. Fourth on the list is Synthesia. Want to create videos without stepping in front of a camera? Synthesia lets you generate realistic AI avatars that speak your script, perfect for training, presentations, or scaling up your content game. And finally, Grammarly Go. It's more than just spell check. Grammarly Go uses AI to help you write clearer, more persuasive emails, reports, and more. Make your writing shine, and save tons of editing time. These 5 AI tools aren't just about saving time. They're about leveling up your quality and unlocking new creative possibilities. Try them, and let your work speak for itself. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips and tools to keep you ahead in 2025. See you next time.